have on display some examples from our system integrators that we currently work closely. WebOS provides us with an open development platform, meaning that it's very customizable. So it gives our customers the opportunity to really work and develop something which their customers are looking for. So we offer them this platform. So here we've got some examples of this. In a digital signage application, like we have these two screens here, what WebOS enables us to be able to do is actually remove the need for the added media player behind the screen. So we're cutting away the added cost, the added installation, and also the added energy that is being consumed. With the screens, we just hang the screens on the wall and plug in a Cat5 cable into the screen, and we're able to manage our content via that. Just for another example here, we also have QSR menu boards. So again, in-store, easy installation. We install the screens, Cat5 cable into the back, and that means that we're able to amend content, change our prices, change the message that we're trying to get out within store. So, and we're able to do this from any device that can open a web browser.
Okay, very interesting. Thank you so much for the information.